In this video, I show you how to go live and stream on Facebook. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. The first thing you need to do is go to Facebook. And this guide is going to work if you're on a mobile device and a computer as well. And also if it's an iOS device, an Android device, it's all going to work. So what you need to do is either go and tap on the plus button in the top right of Facebook or go and tap on what's on your mind. So go to the top right and tap on this. And then as you can see, you've got four options: post, story, reel, and live. So you can go and tap on live, or alternatively tap on what's on your mind and then go to the bottom of this section here and we can go and tap on live video, just like so. Then as you can see, your camera is going to go and load. You can go and use your front camera or your back as well by double tapping, and we're now on my back. Now I want to quickly go and explain what everything does on Facebook. So if we go to the top and go and tap on your name, you can go and choose who your audience is going to be. You could go make it for friends only if you want it to be in your story, things like that. Then we've got these four options here. So first you've got the effects button, so you can go and choose if you want to add an effect to your stream if you'd like. Then you've gone and got the flash if you'd like to add that. You can flip the camera and go and mute yourself. Then if we go to the bottom quickly, you can go and tap here and you can go and invite guests to join the video. And then you've got the fundraising section. You can go and raise money. And then you can go and tap on these four bars here to go and start a poll. And then you can go and tap on the more button in the bottom right, just like that. And if you go onto the button to the right of go live, you can go and make an event as well. We'll quickly go and add a description. So I'm just going to go and say, I'm going to type just chatting, but you don't have to add anything if you don't want to. Then press done. Then we can go and press go live, and we're actually going live. You've got this 3-second countdown, as you can see, and we're now broadcasting. Then as you can see, we've got more tools at the bottom of our stream. And these tools are basically the same as what we just had before, but they're all condensed. It'll take a few seconds of being live, and then all the options at the bottom are going to be available. Once again, we've got the effects, we've got mute your microphone, we've got flip camera. You can tap here to go and invite your friends to watch. Then you can go and click here to go and view your viewers. And then you can go and add your own comment as well. And the comments are just going to appear on the screen. And then once you're finished with your stream, all you need to do is tap finish in the bottom right, just like so. And it's going to say ending broadcast. And that's going to be it. It's now going to be ended. And now we can go and choose what you want to do with the stream. So you can go and make it private if you'd like. I'm going to make it only for me. Then press next. And then you can go and choose when you want it to be deleted. I'll just click post for 30 days and it's now posting it, and I can go and post it onto my my feed like so. And there we go. That's literally it. If you guys found this useful, please go down below and leave a like. Peace.